Welcome to Understand All. I'm your host, Aslekeir Gairleif, and today we're embarking on a fascinating journey into the world of epigenetics, where we'll uncover how our environment shapes our genetic destiny. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, and let's dive in. Picture this. You're staring at a set of identical twins, marveling at their uncanny resemblance. But as they age, something peculiar happens. Despite sharing the same DNA, they begin to develop distinct traits, almost as if an invisible hand is molding their genetic clay. That, my friends, is the magic of epigenetics at play. But what exactly is epigenetics? Think of it like a secret code layered on top of your DNA. While your genes are the hardware, epigenetics is the software that determines how they're expressed. It's like a genetic DJ, remixing the tracks of your life based on the experiences you encounter. Now imagine your DNA as a cookbook filled with recipes for various traits. Epigenetic marks are like sticky notes attached to those pages, telling your cells which recipes to follow and which to ignore. These marks can be added or removed based on your environment, lifestyle, and even your great-grandparents' experiences. Mind-blowing, right? Let's talk about the culprits behind these epigenetic changes. First up, we have DNA methylation, the genetic dimmer switch. It's like a biochemical post-it note that can silence genes or dial down their activity. According to a groundbreaking study published in Nature Reviews Genetics, DNA methylation is one of the primary mechanisms of epigenetic regulation. But wait, there's more. Histone modifications, the DNA packaging adjusters, also play a crucial role. Histones are like the spools around which your DNA is wrapped, and chemical tags on these proteins can make certain genes more or less accessible. It's like having a genetic open or closed sign on your DNA. And let's not forget about non-coding RNA, the genetic stagehands working behind the scenes. These tiny molecules can interfere with gene expression, adding yet another layer of epigenetic control. It's like a cellular production crew, ensuring the right genes are in the spotlight at the right time. But here's the kicker. Your environment and lifestyle choices are the directors of this epigenetic play. What you eat, how you handle stress, the toxins you're exposed to, and even how much you exercise can all influence your epigenetic makeup. It's like your genes are constantly eavesdropping on your life experiences, taking notes, and adjusting their performance accordingly. Let's dive into some jaw-dropping examples. Studies have shown that a mother's diet during pregnancy can have profound effects on her child's epigenetic profile. The Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry reports that maternal nutrition can shape the epigenetic landscape of the developing fetus, potentially influencing their future health outcomes. Talk about the power of food. And if you thought stress was just a mental burden, think again. Chronic stress can leave a lasting imprint on your epigenome, altering the expression of genes related to mood, immunity, and even aging. Nature Neuroscience published a study revealing that early life stress can cause epigenetic changes in the brain, increasing the risk of mental health issues later in life. It's like your genes are absorbing the emotional roller coaster of your experiences. But it's not all doom and gloom. Positive lifestyle choices can also have a profound impact on your epigenetic profile. Exercise, for example, has been shown to induce beneficial epigenetic changes in muscle cells, potentially protecting against metabolic diseases. A study in the journal Epigenomics found that regular physical activity can rewrite the epigenetic script, promoting healthier gene expression patterns. So, go ahead and break a sweat. Your genes will thank you. Now here's where things get really intriguing. Epigenetic changes can be passed down through generations, like a genetic time capsule from your ancestors. This phenomenon, known as transgenerational epigenetic inheritance, means that your great-grandparents' experiences could be influencing your health today. Mind-boggling, isn't it? But the implications of epigenetics extend far beyond individual health. It's a game-changer in the realm of disease prevention and treatment. Take cancer, for example. Aberrant epigenetic patterns are a hallmark of many cancers, and scientists are now developing epigenetic therapies to reset these wayward marks. The journal Nature Reviews Drug Discovery highlights the promise of epigenetic drugs in the fight against cancer, offering new hope for patients worldwide. And let's not forget about the aging process. As we grow older, our epigenetic landscape undergoes a gradual shift, like a genetic hourglass slowly running out of sand. But what if we could turn back the clock? Exciting research in the field of epigenetic reprogramming suggests that we may one day be able to reset our epigenetic markers, potentially slowing down or even reversing the aging process. It's like hitting the genetic refresh button, but with great power comes great responsibility. As we unravel the secrets of epigenetics, we must also grapple with the ethical implications. How do we ensure the privacy and security of epigenetic data? How can we prevent the misuse of epigenetic information for discriminatory purposes? These are the questions we must confront as we stand on the brink of a new era in personalized medicine. As we wrap up our epigenetic odyssey, I want to leave you with a thought-provoking idea. Your genes may be the blueprint of your existence, but your epigenome is the architect, constantly remodeling and adapting to the challenges you face. You have the power to shape your genetic destiny, one choice at a time. So, my fellow epigenetic explorers, I challenge you to embrace this knowledge and make small changes in your daily lives. Nurture your environment, nourish your body, and cultivate resilience in the face of stress. Remember, your experiences today could be shaping the genetic legacy of generations to come. And that concludes our thrilling journey into the world of epigenetics. I hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the incredible interplay between your genes and your environment. Join me next time as we continue to unravel the mysteries of science and unlock the secrets of a healthier, happier life. Until then, stay curious, stay empowered, and keep exploring the wonders within.